Hi, I'm Michelle.
And I'm McKenna. Today we're taking a tour of a Mediterranean marvel located on Sydney's Upper North Shore. Let's go see Enchanted by Pure Locations.
No need to spend money on airfare. True Spanish architecture can be found right here in Sydney. With an authentic feel, this home has really transported so many shoots. Fashion, bridal and editorial photo shoots, finding creativity here. Enchanted is the perfect canvas for any photo shoot.
Every corner of this expansive home shows you something unique. From the beautiful artwork to the ceramics to the furnishings, it's a creative wonderland. I love this touch of color in the kitchen in the backsplash behind me. With the checkerboard tiles, it feels like an ode to the Spanish eye for detail. This homeowner was captivated by European architecture and sought to bring an international feel to her home. With abundant archways, yellow textured walls, vintage touches inside and out, it is truly like stepping into another world within the same villa. The architect of this home, which was built in 1937, trained in Spanish mission-style homes, so it's very authentic architecture. He brought the true nature of Spanish missions to life in homes like this one. This home has many unique spaces, including sprawling gardens, a very unique pool, and beautiful fountain at the back. Over the years, this home has served as a beautiful backdrop for many campaigns. From the well-manicured exteriors to the grand interiors, it has endless backdrops and is truly a wonder.
With endless indoor and outdoor options, we think you will love Enchanted for your next production.
Contact the team at Pure Locations today for more information, and we'll see you at our next house tour.